Si è tenuto presso il Centro Culturale Zanussi di Pordenone il primo incontro degli Eli Days, corso di formazione per insegnanti di lingua inglese della scuola primaria organizzato dalla casa editrice Eli in collaborazione con ACLE e con IRSE, Istituto Regionale di Studi Europei. Attraverso una serie di attività ludiche, la teacher trainer Tracy Sinclair ha tenuto fede al motto Have fun with English and learn per trasmettere ai bambini lo studio della lingua divertendosi.
In your long teaching training experience, what changes have you seen in our Italian teachers of English?
When I started working in Italy, there were teachers who were specialised to teach English, so therefore the level of English of the teacher was much better. The government has made certain changes and now teachers are teaching English as well as other subjects. Understandably, the level of English of the teachers has dropped. However, there's often more English in the environment now. We have English on television, we have English in the election days, they were speaking in English. We have English in newspapers. Film titles are no longer translated, which can only benefit the children.
And considering that English is becoming important in the working world of today, how can we help our children to learn it in an efficient way?
Half of the problem, I think, is that children think of English as being a subject. It's something that you do as maths or as science, whereas English is a way of communication. I think the CLIL idea is a brilliant idea, where the children are forced to use English to communicate, but forced in a way that's for them as natural. I've seen it work in classes where the teacher is talking about maths or about science, about art, and the children are communicating in English without actually realising they're communicating in another language, and it's just fabulous.
Tracy, tell us something about the purposes of this seminar organized by Eli.
The seminar is part of a series of seminars that Ali is doing, and it's to help principally primary school teachers with little or no experience of teaching English. These are teachers, but not necessarily teachers of the English language. And it's just to give them some help, some advice, some suggestions on different ways of presenting language, different ways of practicing the language, and helping them a little bit more to feel a bit more confident in their own level of English. Well, at least I hope so.